Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore something really cool, a modern, responsive image slider that's going to make your websites pop. No fancy libraries, just pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript goodness. Let's get started. This image slider is designed to be responsive and touch-friendly, meaning it works beautifully on both desktop and mobile devices. Users can navigate through images using arrow keys or mouse scrolling on a desktop, and on mobile, touch gestures make it a breeze. Now, here's where it gets interesting. As you scroll through the images, the one in the center takes the spotlight, enlarging while the others shrink or grow as they move in and out of view. This creates a smooth, engaging experience that really draws the user's attention. Now, let's get into how you can implement this on your own website. It's super straightforward. Start by creating the HTML structure. Each image will sit inside a card div, which is nested within the main slider container. Next, you'll add the CSS to style the slider. This will give you those smooth transitions and the scaling effects that make the slider stand out. Finally, copy and paste the JavaScript code. This is where the magic happens. The script handles the scrolling, calculates scaling factors, and applies the parallax effect to each image. And there you have it, a slick, responsive image slider built from scratch. No heavy libraries, just clean, efficient code. It's amazing what you can do with vanilla JavaScript and CSS, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design and web development resources. Drop a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. And hey, check out my website for the full code and more tutorials. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.